Hello. Oh my goodness. It is really bright. Actually, we are here in the dark realm looking for the elusive Bigfoot. Come with me. Come with me. Come on, cameraman. See this? This is a sign of the Bigfoot. Bark on trees. Now you can see, because of the bark on the tree, it means a Bigfoot has been in this location. Unfortunately, every tree has bark, so you can tell there's a lot of them. That scared me. What is that? Ew! We better keep moving. It's probably deadly. As you can see, the ground is just dirt, which means the Bigfoot is out here. Unfortunately for us, it means we are doomed. Now, luckily for us, unlike the cow, the Bigfoot is a gentle species, and they will only try to hug you, but if they do, be warned, they will hug the life out of you. As we can see, the Bigfoot probably used this as a toothpick. They're actually 2,000 meters tall. Yes, that's real. Come with me. Do you see that? See that? Cameraman, come here. This is scary. I mean, I'm not scared at all. I've gone to multiple courses in animal biology. What was that? I'm out of here, dude. I can't. No, I'll film a different video. I don't want to die. Get me out of here.